Dear students, today we will do properties of solid shapes. Page number 117. This is a cube. All the sides in a cube are equal. Here all the sides are equal and we are getting 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Faces means this is one face, second face, third face, fourth face, fifth face and sixth face. So total 6 faces are there. 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges and 8 corners. Corners means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And every face is a square. Since all sides are equal, we are getting equal sides. That means it is a square, because in square we have learned that all sides are equal. So here also we are getting equal sides in each faces. That means every face is a square. So the properties of cube are all sides are equal, every face is a square, and a cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. This is a cuboid. What is the difference between cube and cuboid? I have already told you that in cube all sides are equal and in cuboid opposite sides are equal. Since opposite sides are equal, here every face is rectangle, because we know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal. And like cube, cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. This is a cylinder. Cylinder has 3 faces, 2 plain or flat faces, 1 curved faces. I have shaded that region. These 2 are plain or flat faces and the remaining portion is curved face. So total number of faces is 3, 2 plain or flat faces and 1 curved face. How many edges does it have? It has 2 edges. This is a cone. A cone has a plain surface and a curved surface. This is a plain surface. I have shaded that region and the remaining portion is curved surface. It has only one edge and one corner. The corner is also called a vertex. This is a corner, the corner also called vertex. You can say this is vertex. This is a sphere. This looks like a ball. A sphere has no edges or corners. It has only a curved surface. This is called curved surface. So today we have learned cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. Exercise 7.3. Look at the objects and write down their shapes. Question number A. Globe. This is a sphere. B. Ice cream. Cone. C. This is a container. Cylinder. D. Dice. Cube. E. This is a book. Cuboid. F. This is also one type of container. Cylinder. This is in the form of cone. Pencil, cylinder. Ball, sphere. This is also in container, cuboid. Now here I have told you picture number C and A, these are containers, but these are cylinder and this one is cuboid, because here this face is rectangular. Rectangular shape. In cuboid we get that each faces is a rectangle. That's why it is a cuboid. And here this surface is a curved surface. We are not getting any rectangle here. Similarly here also we are getting a curved surface. We are not getting an rectangle from here. So this is a cylinder and this is a cuboid because we are getting rectangle from here. This is one rectangle. This is another rectangle. That's why it is a cuboid. Candle, cylinder. This is a tent, cone. And one more information, students. From 7th September, our half-yearly examination will start, and we will be using Telegram to send a question paper during that exam. So, please install Telegram on your mobiles. Thank you, children.